Hi, my name is Ashish, and I welcome you to this video in which we will deploy the application security group. You remember how we created two different subnets, the one for the databases, one for the application in a single virtual network, how we created two Ubuntu VMs, one is database machine, one is the application server, and how we created the inbound rules for SSH. And now we will deploy the application security group to take it further. So let me just plot the Azure Cloud Shell and take it from there. I am inside the Azure Cloud Shell and now I'll type in the command to create the application security group. That will be AZ network ASG create. It will be in, we confirm it. So this would be my application security group. Hit enter. It is creating my application security group. I have created this application security group named ERPDB servers ASG, and now I will run the command to associate data server with the application security group. AC network, and it would be NIC IP config update. Source group, the name of the resource group, application security groups, then the name of the application server, the group ERP DB server ASG, then would be minus unit name ERP servers databases. I think it would be minus name IP config data server. Let's see. Oh my, I miss. I did not enter the spellings correctly. Mr. P. Okay. Now I will run the command in the Cloud Shell to update the HTTP rule in the ERP server's NSG network security group. And it will refer to the ERP DB server's application security group. So what I did here is I went on to the HTTP rule in the ERP server's NSG, which is allowing and denying the traffic. So what I've done is I have selected the source as application security group, and the source application security group, the one that I created, and it is denying the traffic from the application servers to the database servers. At the port 80, the HTTP traffic, and I did. So if you'll trying to connect, you will not be able to connect now. I have achieved. Now, rather than creating different inbound denying rule every time for a new server, I have created an application security group. And that would refer to all my application server that I would like to place in that security group. That's how these things differentiate. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.